How to stake your Proton altcoins on Blastpad.io. So in this episode, we're going to do a brief tutorial on how to actually stake your tokens and why you should consider staking your tokens. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to CryptoCurrent. I'm your host, CryptoRick, and without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So why bother staking your tokens? Because by staking it, you're actually putting it into an immutable smart contract on the Proton blockchain system, such that if a hack were to occur, if a migration or fork, you won't be affected because you've locked it in a smart contract. Because there's no counterparties with the Blastpad, effectively someone creates a staking pool, but it doesn't go to their wallet. They create a contract and then you basically stake your tokens onto that contract. It's different to a validator where you actually give them your tokens to their receiving address, and they basically hold it onto you, hence the word delegating. You're delegating your tokens. With this, it's a direct stake. So the other reason is because it's part of the riddle, and basically you have to have staked your assets onto the rocket, and as the bear watches as the rocket takes off. And it makes sense too, like if the rocket's taking off, there needs to be a blast pad, right? A rocket can't just take off with no blast pad. It needs to have a place to shoot up from. So you don't have to put everything there. You can put a little bit here, a little bit there, and we'll show you some other things. Like putting it in a stream, putting it on staking, putting it in other ways to really hedge your bets just in case one of these options ends up screwing you. So the first thing you're going to do is going to blastpad.io, and then you'll basically see at the top to connect wallet as so. Now you're going to choose the desktop version, so this ideally should be done with Anchor Wallet on desktop. It won't work on mobile. So desktop, and then it should prompt you to open wallet and launch Anchor. Once you're connected, it should have your profile up here at the top right hand corner. And then after that, you're going to go to staking. And then you're going to go to staking pools. As an example, these are just examples. There's Proton, like the classic, the Proton that you hold now. There's a pool for it. Even if the rewards aren't great, it is ideally good to lock it up regardless. Again, you don't have to put everything in there, all your Protons. You could put some in a stream that you create for yourself, and I'll do another video on how to do that. You can put some for lock staking. You can put someone, here and there, keep some liquid, etc. Always hedge your bets. Never put all your eggs in one basket. The dates, because the proposed fork date is, I think, October 24, this will definitely cover that. Even if you stake it and the pool expires, you could still hold your tokens in the smart contract until you claim it. So you can claim it at any time. So there's the Proton Pussy one. There's Proton AI. There's the X Elon, again hinting at what's to come. The Elon Musk with the Proton symbol. So these are just the various stakes. And of course, the major one is to stake your Proton Pussy if you hold it. So this is just an example with XPR. The XPR pool or the Pussy pool doesn't really matter. You basically click stake, and then it asks you to choose how much. As an example, let's say you put either 50% of your bag or 75% of your bag, and then you click add tokens, and then it should you sign with your Anchor wallet, and then as a rule of thumb, always sign with your active key, never sign with your owner key. Your owner key is only for administrative signings, but if it's just day-to-day things, you should ideally do it with your active account. So yeah, that's basically it. You just click add stake, click the tokens, add tokens, and then you're basically done. And you can check for all the other ones available. There's all these other coins. Be careful, there are some scammy looking ones, and by scammy I mean just they just look, you'll know it when you see it. So as an example, Proton Pussy has like 5 staking pools. One's called like Dharma Pussy, and then another one's called another one. Make sure to pick the correct one, just Proton Pussy straight off the bat. And you want to avoid these other staking pools. Again, not that it's going to hack you or anything, but it's just a waste because you want to put it in the one that earns you rewards and things. So yeah, like I said, once the minimum bonding period is finished, or the minimum locked period, I suppose, after that you can claim your rewards. Or if you're a bit paranoid, you can keep it till way after the fork date, just in case any hacks are coming, and then claim it at the very end, in December or wherever, but it's up to you. Regarding the rocket, as you can see, very similar to the bearable guy. You can see here it's got the line, it's got the point, it's got the trail of fire. It's not 100%. It's not supposed to be 100%. As an example, it's missing the middle fin here, this middle fin. So this one's 3-pronged, this one's 2-pronged. But again, maybe they don't want to make it obvious. They do have the circle in the middle, and it is heading for the stars and what appears to be the same kind of constellations there. So yeah, look, anything's possible. If you, as an example, have StoreX tokens, you can stake it on there as well. You can also stake the StoreX token natively on the StoreX website. So make sure to move your eggs around, so that if one system were to screw you, you've got another system, you've got some liquid, you may have a stream that is locked in a smart contract, streaming you payments, and so that way you have everything kind of covered. As an example, if you hold loan, have some in theory locked up in the loan smart contract to prevent any migration. And we see all the big whales, they're all locking up their loans, so they know something's coming. So just be mindful. You don't want to get caught in a situation where Proton forks and then there's some sort of hack, and basically the money or tokens is taken out of your account. So otherwise, stay safe, hold the coins. We're all going to make it in the end. Let us surf and ride through the Kali Yuga. And as always, have a good day.